Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 47 Benedict Road in Pittsford, a stunning ranch in a park-like setting. So let's take a tour. This charming ranch has it all, with a great room, featuring a spacious family room with wainscoting and deck access. Open to a white and bright eat-in kitchen with under-cabinet lighting and newer flooring. A formal dining room with a chair rail and beautiful hardwood floors. And an expansive living room, all with scenic nature views. The first floor also features 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master and an updated full bathroom. While the finished lower level provides great additional living space with a bonus room, a potential bedroom, and a full bathroom. Enjoy this peaceful setting from an entertainment-sized deck overlooking the private backyard with beautiful landscaping. Steps away is Bushnell's Basin with the historic Erie Canal and Eastview Mall.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 47 Benedict Road in Pittsford, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!